We're back. Hey everybody, it's Mike Frieder here with On-Call Compliance Solutions. We're having so much fun in the studio today. I'm not even gonna kid you. We got like a long list of videos we gotta shoot. I don't even care. I'm having fun. I hope you're having fun here at home or work, wherever it is you watch my videos at. I hope you're having a blast. And we're gonna have more of a blast because right now we're gonna start talking about CMMC Control MA.L2-3.7.4. Check media containing diagnostic and test programs for malicious code before the media are used in organizational systems. I love this control. I think it's a good one. So hey, if you're a defense contractor who's feeling overwhelmed, tired and alone, trying to understand all this CMMC, DFARS, and NIST SP 10171 compliance stuff on top of an already colossal workload, well, I've got great news. You've found your home here at On-Call Compliance Solutions, where we can help you transform into your company's on-call compliance hero. Let's jump into it. So this control, I have to tell you, I really like it a lot, all right? And I don't say that about many controls. There's 110 of them. There's only like 5 that I really like a lot. That's a pretty fair assessment, I think. Here's the deal. By default, most antivirus programs still don't scan upon insertion, okay? They don't. Sorry. Newsflash, they don't. You got to configure that. That's when you take a thumb drive or a download and insert it into your machine, okay? So again, scan on insertion is when you take a thumb drive or a download, you insert it in your machine, and then it automatically starts scanning. Okay, this control sets out a mandate that especially those programs that the IT or maintenance people are using on our machines is specifically cleaned and scanned before being used in a production environment containing CUI. So again, they have to scan their stuff before they use it on our machines. To me, this is just great common sense. But I agree with the folks that wrote this that the reality is most people just would not think to check that setting and assume it's done already. Or they haven't checked it in years and they don't remember that Larry, the tier 1 IT guy, had disabled that on several computers so that he could get an accounting program to work properly when the CFO's pants were on fire one day back in 2019. Okay, I'm going to bring up a similar example just to kind of help out on the cybersecurity front. Another great example of this is when you've got a firewall and you have an any rule that gets opened up so that you can like get the phone system working or get something working, and then the IT guy goes, "Oh, thank goodness, my boss was really like pants on fire about that issue. Thank goodness I at least have it working now." And then they never go back and shut down those ports again and make it the way it's supposed to be, and you got wide open firewall everywhere. This is the same kind of thing, just on a smaller level, okay? Let's check out what the assessors are looking for on this one. All right, determine if media containing diagnostic and test programs are checked for malicious code before being used in organizational systems that processes, stores, or transmits CUI. Look, upon insertion of any media into organizational systems, that media is sanitized by the organization's endpoint management system. That's what your answer should be, or something very close to it. Now, at On-Call, we work with defense contractors just like you who have had this DFARS, NIST, ITAR, and CMMC compliance stuff dropped in their laps like a seagull on a sunny day. And we teach you how to level up and be a proper on-call compliance hero for your company, eliminating gaps, gray areas, and getting this solved, all while showing you how to leverage compliance as your secret weapon to land more defense work with higher profit margins. Now that's what becoming an on-call compliance hero can do for you. If you're looking for more help getting compliant, our compliance experts are always on call for you. You can visit cmmccompliancesecrets.com or check out the bio below for links to get help right now. All right, love the content we're putting out there for you. Help us out with a big thumbs up on that like button, or even better, you best it, Hulk smash that subscribe button, baby. Let's get more subscribers. We're doing so good, all right? And I love seeing you guys subscribe. It makes my day. It makes us want to get up, make more videos for you guys, and really make sure that we're delivering this incredible value in terms of this content, because it's not like this stuff is easy, right? Hey, until the next compliance tip, my friends, stay safe and secure out there. Hit us in the comments below to let us know what you'd like to know more about when it comes to information security and compliance, and I'll see you on the next one.